Irma really lashed into the Turks and Caicos area, and you can see some of the damage, the aftermath from it. Take a look here. These are some of the reports we're getting in. Hurricane Irma slammed into the Turks and Caicos just the other day, on Thursday, in fact, ripping off dozens of residential rooftops, flooding streets and snapping utility poles and causing an island-wide blackout. It also damaged the rooftop of a hospital in Cockburn, that is the capital of Turks and Caicos.
And that is also a British overseas territory there. Just look at the damage, look at the water coming in. From these pictures so far, I mean, if that's the worst they got, let's hope that that is the worst they experienced. But a very flat island there, the Turks and Caicos, no mountainous areas to break up this storm at all. And it just went right through as a category 4 to 5 storm, going right through that area. And look at this church. Looks like part of their gate was just ripped off. But those
looks
cars
like an
are still
antenna in the background there. Looks, and also forecasters had predicted Irma would hit the area with powerful winds and waves as high as 20 feet. So if that is the worst of it, they really dodged a bullet.